Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Nami from One Piece on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. Again, I'm removing everything except for the ones I don't need accessory adjustments on. So just this part. Select this hair and color it this color, D87836. And toggle it to back only and toggle off the flowers. Then we're going to grab this one in the default toggle in that same color, position it to Y.47, Z.48, and the scale is the same. Grab this belt from the cowboy set and color it white, gray, like dark gray, and then white, and then dark gray, and then white, and then this gold color, C9855C in metallic. Then select the first toggle, position it at Y.45, Z.47, and that's it. Then you're going to need this Roblox item, but if you don't have it, you can use just a normal bra. Select only top and turn off choker, and then select this pattern, this pattern here in silk. Then for the pants, we're going to grab these in the Y2K low rise. I'm not going to change the color though on that. And for the shoes, we're going to grab these shoes in this color A4643F in leather. Then I'm going to go to VIP for this. Again, if you don't have this, you can use just the usual bra. Select this top here. First, color it the same as the pattern in silk. And then you're going to color the rest in this in silk. And that color again. Then for the last piece, you just need this like axe, I don't know what it's called. Select on shoulder, remove the axe, and color it this color. And that is Nami for you. It is so simple to make, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!